Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to use a spare router as a Wi-Fi range extender. So to do that, first step is you need to have a spare router with you. Then you need to reset this router to default factory settings. To do that, you will look at the back of the router. You will get to see one button, that is WPS reset button. You need to basically press this button and hold it for 30 seconds so that router will get reset to factory settings, that is its SSID will get changed to the default one and password will also get resetted. With the admin page, username and password will also get reset. Okay, now let's do it. And press this reset button and hold it for 30 seconds. You will see all the LEDs blinking. You need to press and hold this button till all the LEDs blink. See, all the LEDs have got blinked. Now you can leave that button, wait for the router to start and wait for this second LED, that is Wi-Fi signal, to blink. Okay, you can see I have not connected any internet WAN cable to it because we are going to use this spare TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi range extender for the main router. So two LEDs have started, so this router has got resetted to factory settings. So now let's configure this router. Let's connect to this router first. I'll click on Wi-Fi. In this Wi-Fi menu, this is the ID TP-Link 9C9C. Since I have resetted it, you can look at the back of it, TP-Link 9C9C. Okay, I'll click on it to connect. For the password, it's 3118947. Let me enter it. And click on connect. You can see the Wi-Fi light is blinking. It will get connected. So keep Wi-Fi connection. Click on this if you get a pop-up. Now let's go back to this Wi-Fi panel. Let me select this. Okay, and in the settings icon, click on manage router. If you're not able to see this manage router option, you need to open any web browser and enter this URL, http tplink.wifi.net. You will be able to see this web page. Okay, and you need to enter username and password, that is admin. But to do that, first you need to connect to this router SSID with the password and then open web browser, enter this URL, and it will ask you for the username and password. In our case it's admin, so let me quickly enter the username and password. And click on login. So this will provide you access to this router configuration page. Now you need to click on wireless. Okay, click on wireless settings. On this page you will be able to see one option, enable WDS bridging. You need to click on this. Okay, once you click on enable WDS bridging, you will be able to see more options. Okay, click on survey. Once you click on survey, this will scan the nearby Wi-Fi range. Okay, all the SSIDs will be listed. My main router SSID is ghost, so we are going to extend this ghost router range. I'll click on connect. Okay, now on this page you need to make one change in the setting, that is over here you will see that is channel. From auto select 6, click on done. Okay, now you need to enter the password of your main router, and that you should know. So I'm already aware of the password. Which I want to extend. Now click on save. Okay, you can see this Wi-Fi router connection. Okay, it has got changed and the settings has got saved. It will take some time to save. Okay, now let me access the YouTube. And we have connected to TP-Link. Okay, I click on this TP-Link. Connected without internet. It is showing still connected without internet. Now to access, let's go back to this page. Let me save it. Once I have saved this, on the left hand side panel you will be able to see the system tools. Click on the system tools. Then there is one option that is to reboot. Click on reboot. It will show you option to reboot this device, that is to reboot the router. Click on the reboot. Click on OK. So this will restart the router. You can see the LEDs have blinked. So restart has got completed. At the top you can see the Wi-Fi icon is blinking. Okay, it will try to reconnect to this network and we are able to access the admin page. Now let's click on the main menu, open the YouTube. See, now we are able to access the internet from our main router because we have used this router as the Wi-Fi range extender. Okay, and this mobile phone is also connected to this TP-Link 9C9. Okay, which is this router TP-Link 9C9C. Okay, so that's how you can use your spare router as a range extender to extend the range of your main Wi-Fi router. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.